Indiana by Abraham. Portland Arch Nature Preserve has two rivers that meet at a conjunction to make a bridge of massive natural sandstone. Lobley Marsh Nature Preserve is home to the extremely hard to see snowy owl and northern leopard frog. Indianapolis is the second largest city in the Midwest, after Chicago, Illinois, the largest city in the Midwest. Indianapolis is a popular city for sports and entertainment, such as the Indianapolis Colts. The Indianapolis Motor Speedway is a track for balloon races, motorcycle races, and car races, all right after another. The Indianapolis Motor Speedway is also home to the Indianapolis 500 and the Speedy Brickyard 400. Jeff George is an NFL player for the Atlanta Falcons, Oakland Raiders, Minnesota Vikings, Washington Redskins, and Seattle Seahawks. Before he was an NFL player, he was an American professor for the Purdue University. Indiana is home to a variety of ferns, such as the ostrich fern and the bracken fern. The ferns that is home to Indiana is a part of the vascular plants. Indiana is also home to many deciduous trees, such as the red maple. This tree has very bright leaves and is perfect for the colorful fall. The white-tailed deer usually lives in areas of grass and are very tall animals, almost 3 feet tall. Because of their immense stature, they weigh about 150 to 300 pounds. Indiana is also home to the box turtle, which lives in forest floors of Indiana. Their shells have different patterns, such as black and yellow. President and Senator Benjamin Harrison was elected in 1888. He is the only president that was elected from Indiana in history. The first baseball game ever played was in Fort Wayne, Indiana. The end.